Hi there. Imagine a world where your computer does not just follow commands, but anticipate your needs, generate ideas, and even writes your first draft. Welcome to the future of work powered by generative AI. I'm Madan Raj, and in this video, I'm going to show you how professionals like you can harness the power of generative AI to skyrocket your productivity and stay ahead in your career. First, automating your routine task. Generative AI transforming the way we handle repetitive tasks. Let us see some example, right? Email management. AI tools like ChatGPT can draft response to common queries, saving you hours each week. For instance, customer service representative use AI to generate personalized response to frequently asked questions, allowing them to handle a higher volume of inquiries with greater efficiency. Similarly, report generation. Imagine having an AI assistant that can analyze data and create comprehensive reports. A financial analyst can use tools like GPT-4 to generate initial draft of market analysis reports, freeing up time for more in-depth analysis and strategy thinking. Then what? Meeting summaries. AI can transcribe and summarize your meetings, extracting the key points and action items of your meeting. This allows professionals like you and me to focus on active participation during meetings rather than note taking. How many of you have taken notes? I have taken a lot of notes. Okay, now let's come to enhancing creative processes. Generative AI isn't about just automation. It's also a powerful tool for boosting your creativity. For example, brainstorming. Marketing professionals can use AI tools to generate initial ideas for campaigns. For example, inputting a product description and target audience into generative AI tool can yield dozens of creative concepts to kickstart their brainstorming processes. Yes, also content creation. Writers and content creators can use AI to overcome writer's blog and generate outlines or for their first draft. A journalist could input key fact about story. They could generate the rough draft, which journalist can then refine and do the fact checkings. And then we have a design ideation, right? For graphic designers, they can use AI image generators like DALI, Midjourney to create initial concept art or explore different visual styles quickly. Yes. Now, third point is like personalized learning and skill development. Okay. What generative AI can do with my personalized learning? Yes. Gen AI is transforming how professionals learn and develop new skills. Customized learning paths. You heard it right. AI can analyze your current skill set and career goals to create personalized learning path. For instance, software developer looking to transition into AI engineering could receive a tailored curriculum of courses, projects, and resources. If I want to learn Python, I can have a 30-day Python, what topics I need to learn, right? The same is with interactive tutoring. Professionals can use AI chatbots as 24 bar 7 tutor for learning new concepts or new language, right? Even for that matter, accountant learning about blockchain could engage in a dialogue with an AI tutor to understand a complex concept at their own pace. Exciting, correct? So similarly, a skill practice, any skill for that matter, AI can generate unlimited practice scenarios for various skills. A public speaker could use AI to generate diverse speech topics and receive feedback on their delivery, helping them prepare for wide range of speaking engagements. The future of work is here. And generative AI is your ticket to productivity and growth. But remember, AI is a tool, not replacement for human creativity and critical thinking. Your unique insights and expertise are what will set you apart. Here is what I want you to do right now. First, choose one task from your daily routine that you find repetitive or time consuming, right? Or research a AI tool that could help automate or streamline the task. Third point, implement the tool in your workflow for next week and track whatever the time you have saved. Okay, I hope you'll do that. Share your experience in the comments. How much time did you save? How did you use that extra time to add value to your work? Don't let AI revolution pass by you. Embrace these tools, embrace tools, experiment, and find ways to integrate them into your work life. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on leveraging AI in your professional life. Until next time, keep innovating and stay productive. Thank you.